Hello everyone, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation. Today, I'm in Highlands Point Phase 1 to show you a resale lot offering namin here. So ito po yun. Lot area is 328 square meter located in Block 9, Lot 5. So yung mga kabahay, so ito po yung York Street and banda lamang po doon yung Havila Main Gate Cabrera. And then yung available na resale lot is located in Block 9, Lot 5. So ito po yun mga kabahay. So lot area is nasa 328 square meter. Ang frontage po nito is around 15 meters and it's a true lot kasi sa likod po nito is may road, yung Havila Link Road. So yung mga kaba, if you're interested with this lot na 328 located in Block 9, Lot 5, Phase 1, Highlands Point, please do contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Again, I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. Thank you for watching. God bless and bye!